Here we come to the elevators at 14090 Southwest Freeway in Sugar Land, Texas. These are Otis Series 4. I didn't even know they have some elevators here. Looks like this is an older Otis. 5. This one's hydraulic. I was expecting this to be traction. You can't even hear the motor with that annoying air conditioner power. 1. Obviously, looks like the cabs were obviously redone. These are your fixtures, they're Otis Series 4 fixtures. There's no phone. The chime is a lot louder than that air motor sound or whatever's making that hum. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.